Conecon, the coolest event in the frozen dessert world. Conecon is where the ice cream industry comes together. From seasoned shop owners to first-time entrepreneurs, Conecon is built for every stage of the business. It's not just about products. It's about people, relationships, and shared experience.
Everybody is very passionate about ice cream. Everybody's happy. This is a happy business, and you can really tell that everybody really enjoys it. But it's like a big family, a big ice cream family.
The expertise that's here is unmatched.
I would say my favorite part is just having everybody that's part of the industry around us, able to chat with everybody, learn new things. Feels like a big family event to me. It's awesome.
The thing I liked most, the community that's been built and the help that people are willing to give each other, the relationships that are created, and the friendships that are created as well.
It's full of people that have so much knowledge and tidbits of information to give you that would expand your shop and help you carry on the ice cream business.
No matter what size you're at, there's always people for you to connect with.
Always people to get advice from.
I can learn something from almost everybody here at the show.
If you love ice cream, this is the place to be.
This is where ideas are shared, connections are made, and the industry moves forward. If you're serious about ice cream, this is where you belong.
Thank you,
Conecon.